Hello, my name is Lianna Kiff. In this video, I'm going to show you a new capability made available in our latest 11.0 release of Tom Sawyer Perspectives. The Magnifier tool can be used with any drawing to reduce the number of times you need to zoom in to examine details or to select the node you need in a large drawing. You can learn about the Magnifier tool by visiting any of the examples on our website. Let's navigate to our microwave network example for a quick demo. This example project shows a microwave network. The towers in this network are of different technical types and from different vendors. The edges represent traffic relative to capacity between towers. Make the Select tool your active tool, and then hover over the area of the drawing where you'd like more detail. Press and hold the space bar to use the magnifier feature. You can use the magnifier to explore the drawing, but all the features of the Select tool are also still available to you while using the magnifier. You can select an item, or you can hold down the Shift key to select more than one item, and as each selection is made, the corresponding items will be selected in the other panes. You can also control magnification with the plus and minus keys or with the scroll feature on your mouse. There is a second way to use the magnifier feature in your project. We're going to look at this same project through the designer, and let's take a look now at how the toolbar is configured for this project. We'll open the definition for the default toolbar, and we can see the things that we recognize from the toolbar as it was configured before. Let's go down to the bottom. We can see that the last item in the list is the search field. Now let's move back to the top, and we're going to right-click on items and select Add Item. From the list, we're going to select Activate Tool and press OK, and then we get the opportunity to select the tool we want to add. So we click on the empty field and select Magnifier from the list. When you've selected the magnifier, then you can see the other settings that are available. The dialog allows you to adjust the icons that are displayed and the shortcuts you'd like to use. We probably don't want the magnify item right next to the search field. That isn't the correct location. So the next thing we're going to do is make a place for it in our toolbar. So let's go back to items, and we're going to add an item. We're going to add a separator to our menu bar. All things that you add to the menu bar end up at the bottom. So we're going to move our separator first up to the position that we would like. And I would like it to appear right before the help icon. So now we're going to grab our magnifier and also move it up there right between those last two separators on our toolbar. Now let's run our preview and see how that change has affected our application. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, we see our new magnifier item. The magnifier view will pop up when you press your primary mouse button, and you can move your mouse over the drawing to look at the details. In this mode, there is no selection option available because you're already using the same mouse button you would normally use to select. You might choose to make this option available to your users in case you'd like them to examine a drawing without making any selections. You can use the designer to modify the default settings for the magnifier under Behaviors. Select Tools, Magnifier Tool, and then you can change the size of the magnifier window. We'll change it here to 300 for an example. And you can also change the scale factor from a default of 2 to whatever default is appropriate for your case. We'll try 3. And let's review this in the previewer. And now when we use the magnifier tool, you can see that our magnifier window is considerably larger. and the default zoom level is a little bit higher. But again, your users can adjust that using the plus and minus keys as they need. Today we've demonstrated how you can use the new magnifier feature in Tom Sawyer Perspectives in legacy or new Tom Sawyer projects. Thank you for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer today to learn about how you can get a free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.